Absolutely. Arzu, stay on with us. More breaking news coming in where Congress leader Abhishek Dutt has hit out at Kejriwal, and he said that votes have to be won with honesty, hard work and loyalty. He's also further said that Kejriwal has spent thousands of crores of rupees on campaigning but does nothing for work. He's also said that politics means serving people and Ram Rajya does not mean opening liquor shops in every street. Take a listen.
देखिए, केजरीवाल जी को ये लगता है कि वो 2100 रुपए देके झूठे वादे करके महिलाओं के वोट खरीद सकते हैं। जीत नहीं सकते, वोट जीतना पड़ता है। वोट ईमानदारी से, मेहनत से, निष्ठा से जीतना पड़ता है, खरीदना नहीं पड़ता। उनको लगता है दिल्ली का सरकार का पैसा है, उनको देना नहीं, सब जगह बांटते रहो। उन्होंने पिछले 11 सालों से वो दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री थे। 11 सालों से हनुमान मंदिर जाके क्यों उन्होंने बात करी? उनको सबको देना चाहिए था, किसने रोका था? 11 साल उनके पास थे, 11वें साल क्यों कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि वो चुनाव हार रहे हैं। बड़ी बात नहीं हो तो कल को अनाउंसमेंट कर देंगे सब दिल्ली वालों के बैंक अकाउंट में मैं 11,000 दूंगा, जीतूंगा तो। सबके पीछे एक लाइन है, जीतूंगा तो जीता। अब रहे नहीं, अब जीतने के लिए वो रोज नई स्कीम लॉन्च करेंगे। देखो, अरविंद केजरीवाल ब्रांड पिट चुका है। पहले अरविंद केजरीवाल जी किसी भी व्यक्ति को खड़ा करते थे, वो चुनाव जीतता था। आज मनीष सिसोदिया को अपनी सीट छोड़ के जंगपुर आना पड़ रहा है। क्या दिखलाता है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल जी हार रहे हैं। देखिए,
Right, so that's of course the big statement that has been issued. My colleague Arzu is still with us on the broadcast. Arzu, if you could take our viewers to what it is that has been said by the BJP.
Well, both the BJP and the Congress, the opposition parties, are now targeting the Aam Aadmi Party over their welfare scheme. And earlier also we have listened after the Mahila Saman Yojana and the Sanjeevani Yojana was announced by the Aam Aadmi Party, saying that, you know, earlier it was 1,000 rupees that was announced for the women, but then after that, that has been scaled up to 2,100. If the Aam Aadmi come to power, that money will be credited to the women's account. Now, what the other parties are saying, that there has been a notice that was issued by the government department that there is no such scheme running, and the people should prevent themselves from providing their private information. Also, now the other parties are saying that these are the tactics that the Aam Aadmi Party is doing. They have done nothing in the 11 years, but now when the elections are near, they are trying to buy the votes of the women and elderly to show such schemes. And in fact, we are just listened to the bite of the Congress leader Abhishek Dutt, where he attacked the Arvind Kejriwal, saying that he cannot buy the votes, the votes have to be win. And also he mentioned about the seat change. Manish Sisodia the seat of the Manish Sisodia that has been changed in the Delhi Assembly elections. He also talked about the Ram Raj is not about opening the liquor shop in every part of the national capital. So on several issues he attacked. And also if we talk about Bharatiya Janata Party, continuously they are attacking the Arvind Kejriwal, putting several claims. Today also there will be a distribution of the toilet seat that the RP Singh is going to do to just attack the Arvind Kejriwal over his a bungalow and the other controversies that is are surrounding the Arvind Kejriwal ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections.
All right, Arzu, stay on with us. More, in fact, news that we're tracking at this point of time with less